राष्ट्रीय ज्युनियर स्नूकर आणि बिलियर्ड्स चॅम्पियन 18 वर्सांचो एस श्रीकृष्णा राष्ट्रीय सर्तींत ग्रेट पंकज अडवाणीक हरोवपी 21 वर्सांचो आशुतोष पाढी हे टॉप प्लेयर BSAGची ऑल इंडिया सर्त जिखपाक दोन फेवरेट्स आसात. असली सर्त गोंयांत खेळून लोकल प्लेयरांक मोलादीक एक्सपोजर मेळपाक मजत जाल्या अशें राज्यांतलो टॉप स्नूकर प्लेयर कृष्णा बरड म्हणटा.
This tournament is the first tournament what they have kept in so many years now. But ata we don't have much facilities. I mean we are short of facilities as in good players and all competing to us. So ata कितें जाता की जेन्ना tournament आसता तेन्ना भायले players येतात आमकां तांचे बरोबर खेळपाक मेळटा and it extends your level somewhere. So exposure wise, and plus also you get to know people around and you get to know better players, and also
even tournament wherever they are happening outside.
I go हांव वता थंय खेळपाक as in first tournament हांव गेल्लो रत्नागिरी गेल्लो, बेळगांव गेल्लो, then बेंगलोर गेल्लो. So हांव वचत आसता tournaments frequently.
पॉप्युलॅरिटी वायज कशें फील आसा स्नूकराचो गोंयांत?
पयलीं आतां पॉप्युलॅरिटी नाशिल्ली पण आतां स्लोली वाडपाक लागला एज इन अकॅडमीज जेन्नासून जाला बीन. सो वी हॅड सम कॅम्प्स एंड ऑल ओवर हियर खंय ते स्कुलाचे स्टुडंट्स बीन येयल्ले आनी प्लस ऑल्सो इट्स स्प्रेडींग वायड नाव इन गोवा.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय दिग्गज पीटर गिलक्रिस्ट आणि जॉन हिगिन्सान दिल्ल्या सल्ल्या उपरांत आपल्या गेमींत सुदारणा जाल्या अशें 18 वर्सांचो टॅलेंटेड श्रीकृष्णा म्हणटा.
My motivation factor was not the world championship I won, but in that world championship I also played the seniors against the most famous and very experienced player in this game called Peter Girish, and he's many times world champion.
Sure.
So I was playing with him in 2 hours format, and in the first 45 minutes we are going to neck, and then he said, "Kiddo, please sit down for about half an hour." And he made me sit for half an hour. He made a 375 break. I still remember that break.
Wonderful.
So and then after that, after the match, he told me, "You have very good potting and you have good knowledge. Just that you need to increase the stamina and what you are playing." So that was the best moment I had.
Really wonderful. You also were a wild card entry for the Indian Open professional circuit last year in India.
Yeah, that was a very lucky chance, and I thank the BSFA committee for giving me that opportunity. And it has been a turnaround for me because I knew how this game should be played in professional circuit and how safety is very important in professional. I'm a very aggressive player. I don't like to play much of safety. But when I went into the circuit, first thing, Mr. John Higgins, who is 4-time professional circuit world champion, he told me, we rate the player according to their safeties, not with their breaks. So that was a very shocking moment for me, and it just turned around my snooker career from then.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आणि तुळशीदास चारी.